Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add status in Jira. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to click on this search bar right here. Click on boards, okay? Now once you are here, what you need to do is to click on these three little dots right here. I'm sorry, you want to click on create board because you need to create your own board. So go ahead and create board. So this is just an example, okay? So now once you are in this page, what you need to do is to click on these three little dots. Now click on board settings and you should click on columns, okay? Now once you're here in column management section, what you need to do is to find the add status button, okay? So just go ahead and name this status. So this is just an example, okay? So you can just go ahead and select the category. So for example, to do, now click on add. So you can just go ahead and drag this from here to do list, okay? So that is how you add a status in Jira. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.